It's a really interesting story out of the New York Times is that Samuel Alito, who is a Supreme Court justice, had an upside down flag in his home after the 2020 election, and some people are associating this with the January 6th riot and his support for it. But Alito is saying that he had no personal involvement in it. This had something to do with a personal dispute between his wife and their neighbor, who apparently had put on some anti-Trump sign, and in response, his wife put an upside-down flag. I want to know your reaction to this because it's still coming out. Do you think that Alito is just saying this in order to not be involved in the controversy, or does this have something deeper in terms of his political views?
For Justice Samuel Alito to recuse himself from any cases involving the 2020 election after the New York Times published this photo of an upside-down American flag flying outside Alito's home in the days after the January 6th assault on the U.S. Capitol. The flag upside down became a symbol of the Stop the Steal movement used by rioters and election deniers after the 2020 vote.
This is a member of the Supreme Court. People around the world are looking to them to be unbiased.
In a statement, Alito told the New York Times, "I had no involvement whatsoever in the flying of the flag. It was briefly placed by Mrs. Alito in response to a neighbor's use of objectionable and personally insulting language on yard signs." Neighbors told the paper Alito's wife was involved in a dispute with another family who'd put an anti-Trump sign on their lawn.